At Wisconsin Dells, we've created the fun in 100 different dimensions.
Okay, here's the Mousehaus Cheese House. It's actually closed now. We got here too late, but still stopped to get a shot of the big mouse on top of the building. Still haven't got a chance to get any Wisconsin cheese curds yet since we've been in Wisconsin, but hopefully we'll be able to get them in Wisconsin Dells, because I do like me some cheese curds. We're denied the curds again. This place is closed too. But this is a cooler building. Look at the mouse climbing the cheese sign there. That's pretty cool. It looks like a Swiss chalet. But here's the main thing here. Sissy the Cow. Look at this giant cow. This is one of the biggest cows. Maybe the biggest one, I don't know. Is this the biggest roadside cow? Let us know in the comments, because I'm not sure. She's big though, that's for sure. I wonder why they decided to name her Sissy. Not sure. Here in front of the Ellenbox Cheese Chalet. I'm sure they have good cheese at these cheese places. It's just that we got here too late. Alright, so it's our first day in Wisconsin Dells. We made it here last night. Yeah, we're gonna drive into the downtown area and look for a place to park. I'm not sure how that's gonna... Yeah, I don't know. We don't really have a lot of plans. I know that we have like a list of things we want to do, but I guess we're just gonna go into the downtown area and just start doing stuff. Tomorrow, I guess we're going to Circus World. I'll show you some shots of the strip here. Alright, so we got lunch at MACS, macaroni and cheese shop. Looks amazing.
Are we gonna be able to take leftovers of this, maybe?
I don't know.
We have a microwave.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat all this. This is a lot. Like when they show you the the skillet, it like looks a lot smaller without this stuff in it, right? I got the Philly cheesesteak, and you got You got the loaded baked potato.
Oh, that's like 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it looks so
It's
good.
like potato skins with mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm pretty excited to dig into this. Would you say this is some of the best mac and cheese you've ever had?
Yeah, I literally am giving it a 10 out of 10.
I would
don't
too.
think I've given anything else a 10 out of 10.
I mean, it's way better than I even expected it to be. It's like
Oh my god.
the best mac and cheese of all time. It's so good.
I was tempted to try that hangover one, which had like hash browns and a bunch of stuff in it. And
Yeah.
I saw mushrooms, which is like appealing to me. But I like loaded baked potatoes.
Yeah, I
so-
was considering that one too, and then like I figured like if you wanted like a protein, like this is a good mix of stuff because you get the steak and then the mushrooms and onions and stuff goes good with mac and cheese. So I figured this was a good choice. But yeah, like pretty much most of the things on the menu looked good, and I was having a hard time deciding. I don't know if this is this a chain? I don't know. Either way, like, highly recommend this for sure. And if you're in Wisconsin, you gotta eat some cheesy stuff, right?
True.
We still haven't gotten our cheese curds. I'll have to see if there's somewhere in town that sells cheese curds. Alright, so we just had lunch and now we're walking to Ripley's. Got like all these t-shirt shops like at the beach.
Actually, like in a classic, like airbrush one.
Oh yeah, I don't know if they have that. It's like the cheap t-shirts. And we're doing the Haunted Mansion later. It's across the street. Guess we'll do that after this. Haunted Mansion.
Nice. Dude, where's the ghost outpost?
That's not here. That's off the strip. It's like, what's that? The Point. Oh, it's like a knife shop. Okay, here's the Ripley's. Oh, cool. There's the river.
We should get a souvenir tattoo.
Oh, yeah. Great. This is a really cool sign. I like this. The way the letters are placed. Up here we got the ghost boat. It's where you buy the tickets. I think you get on the boat down further up the street. You want to get nuts at the showboat? Why is it called Ghost Molly's Showboat Saloon? Everything's ghost. Alright, here's the river walk area. Get some views of the river from here. I guess that's, you would go down to get on the boats down there. Probably, yeah, there's like steps that go down over there. It's probably where you get on the ghost boat. There's a nice breeze over here. Oh wow. So you get some pretty good views over here. Yeah, Wisconsin Dells is living up to the hype. I really like it. It's got a lot of tourist attractions and stuff, but you know, you got this river here. You got river tours on the boats and stuff. So if you like scenic nature stuff, you got that, and you got like tourist attractions and restaurants and stuff too. So it's a good mix of both. They got a fortune and fudge. I'm gonna make that like a thing. Every time I see something with fudge, I'm gonna be like, it's a fortune and fudge. Here's where you get the boat tour things. Is this where you get the ghost boat? It's going to cost a fortune and fudge. Old time. There's like so many old time photos. Places. Okay, here's the Haunted Mansion. A palm reader, and then beside here you got a paintball shooting range. Gift shop, Bigfoot.
These are really pretty. I've seen these.
Yeah. Swiss made fudge. A fortune in Swiss fudge. Oh yeah, this is where the antique store is. Oh, that fudge smells good. Maybe we should get some. I almost ate it all. There's like hardly any left. Yeah. This is the Wild Fun Zone. I think this is owned by Ripley's actually. Yeah, I think so.
They should let me buy this damaged alien. Put it in the yard.
Yeah. Okay, here's the Wild Fun Zone. It's like all newer stuff, as usual. That's like a jungle theme, kind of like that Jungle Land place we went to in Chicago. What's that? Oh, laser maze. All new stuff, no pinballs. Oh, they have a shooting gallery over here. It's a Western themed shooting gallery.
good sheep on these guys.
It doesn't look interesting enough for me to mess with her.
Actually load a card.
Huh?
You have to actually load a card.
Yeah, you have to load a card, so I would do it if it just took quarters or whatever. Yeah, these arcades where you have to get a card, it's kind of annoying. Like, just let me put money into the dang machines. Like, I don't want to have to be forced to get like $10 to $20 worth of credits or whatever. Like, it's such a stupid way to rip people off. Like, if you're only interested in playing one game, why the heck can't you just do that, right? This arcade has some kind of weird, like, hybrid jungle and alien theming. It's like aliens in the jungle. I don't know who came up with that idea. Look, a fortune and fudge. It's the Wild Fun Zone. If you want to play games, it's going to cost you a fortune and fudge. Oh, they got mini golf. It's probably like the Blacklight mini golf. And they got laser tag too.
Wild Jungle 3D.
It's jungle themed. If it was like alien themed mini golf, I might consider it, right? Yeah, this guy, I've seen this guy before.
Oh my god.
Where have I seen him before? This guy. I've seen him before. That woman was really talking it up and like, what, I was like, what, are you a spokesperson for that place or what?
Yeah, she's like sponsoring.
Guess I could get fudge at that place across the street then.
I wanted that. Oh,
Lisa
it's like
Frank.
the one I had when I was like a baby.
Yeah, but I don't like modern
Look
Lisa
at it.
Frank style. Only the 80s Lisa Frank stuff's cool. This main street feels like way longer when you're walking it than when you drive through it. When you drive through it,
I told you, like from our hotel, it would have been even longer.
yeah.
It was like way past.
When you're driving through it, it doesn't take that long and it doesn't seem that big, but when you're walking through it, it's like sprawling. Plus there's like side streets that have stores and stuff too, so. Yeah, this is definitely very Gatlinburg-esque, right? I mean, Gatlinburg's got better like, not landscaping, but like a better setting because it's in the mountains.
What's Wizard's Quest?
It's like you get like these magic wands and stuff. You gotta like, it's kind of sort of like escape rooms and stuff like that. Like it's dumb. I wouldn't want to do it. Like fantasy stuff that's not cool. Like really, like kid focused, like fantasy stuff, like Harry Potter-esque crap, you know. Not actually Harry Potter, but like stuff that's like that.
Where is this Cuckoo Club?
Yeah, I know. I didn't see it yet.
Or you can walk back and go up to that later. Like drive up.
I don't think it's got to be down here somewhere because doesn't the stuff start right up here?
Yeah, I feel like we're far up.
I don't know. Yeah, maybe it was down the other way from where we started walking. I don't know.
Yeah, KMSD is all the way up here.
Yeah. Oh, here, this is the Cuckoo clock, I think. Carr Valley cheese. I wonder if oh, yes. Mission accomplished. We found the Kurtz. We're gonna get the Kurtz. Yeah, there's like these little things that come out at the bottom and dance around. I don't know like when, but
The hour.
oh yeah, darn. like 1:35, so like
41.
found the curds. It's been like over 24 hours since we've been in Wisconsin, and I didn't find any curds until now. No wait, we've been in Wisconsin since the other night, so it's been like 48 hours actually. Yeah, we stopped at those other stores and they were closed. Another thing that you can buy at these cheese shops, chocolate cheese. Maybe I'll just get the cheese curds because I want to get some fudge from one of these fudge kitchen places. Alright, we got our Wisconsin cheese curds from Carr Valley Cheese and we're going to try them. She said these are fresh ones, so they should have the squeak. I don't know if I ever had fresh ones before. Yeah, they squeak when you bite them. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh yeah. What, you don't like them?
That's like plastic.
No, that's what they're like when they're fresh. Yeah. She doesn't have good taste in curds.
Hideous rats. His fee was small. He asked but a penny for each rat he removed. The town council agreed, and the mayor of the town told the stranger to proceed with the task. The melody, both strange and enticing, had a great effect on the rats. They came from every cellar, dark hole, and crevice. Rats by the dozens, then 50s, then by the hundreds, followed the piper. On and on the rats followed, right out of the streets of Hamlin and into the River Wise, where the musically enchanted rats met their doom beneath the waters of the swift and mighty river. Once the rats had disappeared, the townspeople were filled with both relief and suspicion. They felt that maybe this stranger was in league with the devil, and that his astonishing feat was an act of sorcery. When the piper came for his payment, the mayor and the town council had already agreed to refuse the promised fee. The piper was outraged. With great anger, he gave warning of a terrible evil yet to fall on the city of Hamlin. Little did the townspeople know that the piper could not only charm rats, but all things that live beneath the sky, including children. That morning, while the parents were at church, a strange tune was heard, and children large and small stopped their play to run forward, following the music of the Pied Piper. Down the street they ran, unaware they were under a spell. They followed the piper through the main street of Hamlin, a street where no music has ever again been played. They ran out the east gate of the city onto the 7 hills, where they vanished into a mountain, all except one, who was lame and could not keep up. The children had disappeared forever, never to be seen again. Today, in the house called the Ratcatcher's House, is still seen the rhyme carved on a beam, which tells of this historic event.
A modern version of this age-old tale tells us that the townspeople finally paid the piper, and he returned the children to their homes.
Guess that's it.
And they lived happily ever after.
I don't know, I saw something where a bunch of things were coming out and dancing around, so I don't know. This one's cooler than the one in Frankenmuth. Don't you agree? Should we go into this candy store? Yeah. Get some candy. Oh, it's this one. Well, the sign went all the way down. Alright, so we just walked around pretty much the whole strip. Got myself a pina colada smoothie. You got a blueberry waffle ice cream cone from, where was it? Goody Gumdrops, I think it was called. Right?
No, that's the souvenir store.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this was a candy store.
No, yeah, the candy store was called Goody Gumdrops. The souvenir store was something else. So yeah, we did the Ripley's, we did the Haunted Mansion, got some cheese curds, got some ice cream treats. And now we're gonna go back to the hotel and recharge our stuff. And then I guess we're gonna go out and maybe do a couple things before we do the ghost boat tour. Alright, so what are our impressions of Wisconsin Dells? I think it's pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty much what I expected. I like Gatlinburg and Orlando and places like that, so I figured I would like it. I don't know, I just like touristy stuff.
Yeah, the way you said like Gatlinburg, it is really like a smaller version of that.
Well, I wouldn't say small. Well, there's just as much stuff to do though. I mean, you got this whole strip here in the downtown area, and then there's a whole, there's like a whole bunch of stuff to do along the highway that goes into town too, so there's plenty of stuff to do here. I mean, you could probably spend the whole week here. They have all those water parks, they got Mount Olympus. Actually, I kinda wanna go to Mount Olympus, maybe. I don't know. I guess we're doing the thing at 8, so yeah, I gotta go back and charge the phone. But maybe we could do Mount Olympus after Circus World tomorrow. I don't need that long there. I just want to get some like POVs and the coasters.
I don't care.
It's cheap to get in, so. But yeah, the motel we're staying at is pretty nice for the price. It seems like there's a lot of decent like vintage motels around here. I mean, they don't all look great. Some of them look a little run down and stuff, but they got motels. They got big hotels and stuff, like the chain hotels are like on the highway. All the smaller motels and stuff are along the strip here. But yeah, it's a nice place. Kind of feels like a boardwalk. Lots of food, lots of candy, lots of shopping, lots of little attractions and stuff. Definitely a destination vacation spot. But yeah, we wouldn't have come here if it wasn't for the fact that House on the Rock was nearby. But yeah, like it's definitely something. Like if you're planning on going to House on the Rock, it's definitely a place you could stay at, you know, before you do that. Like
There's
we're
a
doing.
ladybug in here.
Yeah, there's a lot of bugs around here, but that's because there's a river right
Yeah,
here.
that's lucky for us.
Yeah. All right, well we're gonna go back to the hotel now.